Rainforest Cafe, downtown Disney. We're waiting to get a table right now.
Changed our mind.
Changed your mind.
We went and ate at a Rainforest. We said we probably wouldn't eat here because we ate at T-Rex and they're similar, but they're owned by the same people. But it's what sounded good.
So we're just kind of hanging out, waiting to get a table right now.
The gift shop.
There's some pretty neat souvenirs. Lots of flippy floppy.
Look at that cheetah. Leopard. How can you tell the difference between a cheetah and a leopard? That looks like a cheetah to me.
I'm not sure.
Insert your name, please. Journey to the Purple Elephant at the entrance to the Rainforest Cafe. You're ready for your wild adventure.
$1.25.
We've been collecting fresh pennies, so every time we see one, we try to stop and get one, but
We started collecting pennies. But some of them cost 51 cents, some of them cost
$1.25.
Some of the Rainforest Cafe.
This is what? This is?
Hey,
Hey,
what you doing?
just looking at Dory, you know. Hey, Dory. She doesn't remember me.
Oh, you just told her your name like 3 minutes ago.
She forgot. She didn't have Wallet around to keep her in check.
What's that guy doing behind you there?
Just hanging out.
Hanging out?
Oh no, it's raining!
All the animals are going nuts.
Hey, what you doing?
Washing my hands.
You remember when you came last time and I begged you to wash your hands and you said no, it was for girls? Like only girls wash their hands?
Yeah, well, I have all my hands right now.
And then I looked up and there was like 10 men standing around the sink doing it and I was actually the only girl washing my hands, so you were...
Considering I've got all man winter hands right now, I thought this...
You need this desperately. Jared's got extremely dry skin. How's it feel?